Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the integrating the technological product innovation and product development within the enterprise. Product innovations refers to the creation or developing a new idea for the realization or development of new product or service. Product innovation destroy our existing products by creating a new ones that are available in the present market. Companies tends to add innovation to their new products in order to attract more customers as well as to increase their profit and have a competitive edge over their companies. There is a need to coordinate perfectly the several disciplines related to the human, business and technological skills. These are the three aspects have a significant influence on the value of a new product. So the details of three aspects are: first one is your human aspect, and second one is your technological aspect, and third one is your economic aspects. Now we are going to discuss about the human aspects. Successful innovations maximize the user appreciation of the product offered, and understanding and treating the human interest is a key to define your design drivers. And first one is your user function analysis, the reaction of the user on a character and usability of the product. That means we should know the 360-degree analysis of our customers. And economics, that means the product must correspond to physical capabilities to the user. That means it should be a user friendly to the customers. And socio-cultural context of your products requires a good analysis and especially a good vision of the situation in which the user will be at time that the new service or the product will be offered. Now we are going to discuss about the technological aspects. So the technological aspects in a product development are typically related to materials, design and construction optimization, physics and development of mechanical or your electrical subsystems, manufacturing and assembly technologies. So these aspects are determined criteria such as your mechanical and thermal load, interface capabilities, limitation and compatibilities by other system, and environmental impact as well as your aging effects. Now we are going to discuss about the economic aspects. Economic aspects includes knowledge of the competition and its offer, then total cost of your development and other production preliminary cost, as well as approach of the distribution, the development time, that is time to time market, how we have to reach the product, and the price, that is prospective user in the willing to pay for your product or services. So these three technological aspects are very important while developing or while innovating a new product or while you are add on the things in your existing product. And generally these three parameters all the companies are using, and if they are using the integrated approach, that means the combining of all three aspects, so it will maximize the innovation potential of every aspect, as well as the all the three domains must be included in the development process. Then only we can able to make a successful product. And each aspect is equally important and has the same added value from inventing a new product to the final launch.
Successful management requires both effective budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting and forecasting are not interchangeable. Each has a distinct purpose. A budget details expected future results. It is a definitive statement of expected sales volume and operational production capacity, as well as revenue and profit streams. Budgeting is a coordinated effort across the organization to optimize allocation of scarce resources to most efficiently achieve the organization's mission and objectives. Forecasts are predictions that focus on probable future events upon which budgets are based. The sales forecast is the initial and most critical step in forecasting an organization's future performance. All other forecasts are dependent on the accuracy of the sales forecast. The sales forecast identifies future probabilities or expectations from the marketplace. It consists of sales revenue, sales volume, anticipated cost, and profit contributions or margins. Forecasts utilize historical data, statistical analysis, expert opinion, and other references to improve accuracy and inclusiveness. A budget is similar to the flight plan for a plane, a detailed map of where the organization intends to be at any given point and what it needs to reach those objectives. The actual performance and updates to the forecasts are like the air traffic controller, guiding the organization to either stay the course or change direction based on the data. Budgets and forecasts can be both short-term, or less than 1 year, as well as long-term, or over multiple years. Forecasts are only valid as long as the data and assumptions used to create them remain valid. Because of the dependence on variables and trends, no forecast is ever 100% correct. But continued analysis and recalculations allow forecasts to be as accurate as possible. With easily accessed real-time data, many organizations are now better equipped to keep forecasts current, as well as make risk assessments based on those forecasts. Managers can then accommodate changes in the forecast by adjusting both planned performance and forecast assumptions to better avoid potential crises. Let's look at an example. Jane is the senior sales manager at a global company. She is preparing her monthly sales reports to assess how well her department is meeting its quarterly performance goals as set by the company's annual budget. To assess current performance and forecast the department's likelihood of meeting its targets, Jane asks regional sales managers to provide current sales information that includes past and projected sales by product line, changes in the spending habits of key customers, inventory levels, and pressures from competitors. During her analysis, Jane identifies 2 key products with the highest profit margin contribution are over 20% behind the sales forecast. A competitor has also entered the market with a similar product priced 10% lower. Additionally, inventory levels of those products have risen by 25%, causing operational issues and costs. The cascading effect of these changes to the forecast will have a serious impact on both the sales budget and the operational budget. Jane and her managers decide to take an aggressive approach to address the issue. They devise a multi-phased plan of response, beginning with a sales blitz, assigning additional sales personnel to key customers, and offering current quarter discounts on inventories on hand, a one-time 15% price reduction for this quarter. To counter competitive pressures, Jane and her team authorize a print advertising campaign, emphasizing the advantages of their products. Finally, they initiate a targeted sales campaign to promote those 2 key products to major customers, offering volume discounts and free shipping. By using the combination of the organization's sales budget and her forecast of likely future performance, Jane is able to adjust her sales expectation response and increase the likelihood that organizational performance goals are achieved. Without updates, Jane would not be aware of major changes to the forecast and subsequent budgets. Budgets and forecasts are not one-time financial exercises, but a day-to-day reference that enables organizations to ensure their future performance. As such, continuous improvement is the key to accuracy.
Technology is ever evolving. Regardless of the current market conditions, new technologies are emerging with groundbreaking innovations to tackle world issues. It must be strange that predictions are being made about the future of technology in these uncertain times. But here's the fun part. These innovations are what makes life easier in the coming years. From systems that could predict the risk of a viral transmission to drones that could deliver essentials to your door, their industry is transforming our lives. So here's a list of new technologies of 2021 that you should watch out for. But before we begin, if you love watching tech videos, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. At number 6, we have aerospace technologies. The aerospace sector has countless innovations that continue to increase over the coming years. Defense and other aerospace industries are looking forward to building zero-fuel aircraft. New aerospace technologies include advanced space propulsion systems, advances in material sciences, smart automation, and blockchain. With the help of 3D printing, many aerospace components are being developed. Given the global situation, although innovation in this field may come at a calculated pace, it is likely consistent. At number 5, we have 5G networks. With an increase in video conferencing, remote working, and digital collaboration this year, reliable connectivity and better bandwidth are crucial. 5G deployment is preventing companies from going out of business. As we continue to manage school and work from home, 5G will play a key role in 2021. Companies like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi are readily rolling out 5G phones. Qualcomm, arguably the leader in 5G technology, is helping make 5G affordable to as many smartphone users as possible next year. Reports say that the global 5G services market is estimated to reach $41.48 billion by 2020 and expand at an annual growth of 43.9% from 2021 to 2027. At number 4, there's edge computing. Almost all technology in today's world are applications of edge computing. Collaborations with artificial intelligence, 5G, and mobile cloud edge will make data processing closer to the customers, leading to faster and more efficient computing. Even amidst the pandemic, companies continue to consolidate and expand their offering of edge solutions, from traditional rugged embedded computers to high-performance edges for AI and other data-intensive applications. According to experts, the edge analytics market is expected to grow up to $8 billion USD by 2021 at a CAGR of 32.6% from 2016 to 2021. At number 3, we have extended reality. Extended reality includes augmented and virtual reality. This technology, in conjunction with others, will be used during the next year to tackle challenges posed by the current situation. It will largely help in avoiding dangerous situations that could potentially cause a viral transmission. Over the coming years, this technology will revolutionize healthcare, education, and lifestyle, among others. The AR and VR market revenue is expected to reach $55 billion USD by 2021. At number 2, there's human augmentation. With the principles of exceeding, replicating, and supplementing human ability, human augmentation changes what it means to be human. The augmentation pipeline holds other great promises for the future, like bionic human joints, embedded scanning, customizable contact lens, augmented skull, feet, artificial windpipes for your throat, etc. The possibilities are endless. The global human augmentation market is predicted to rise at a considerable rate during the forecast period between 2020 and 2026. But most of the innovations today are being facilitated by one vital technology. Can you take a guess as to which one is made to the top of the list? That's correct. At number 1, we have artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has proven to be one of today's most transformative tech evolutions. However, with the current world scenario, artificial intelligence seems more promising than ever. The volume of data collected on healthcare and infection rates can be used to prevent infection spread in the coming days. Machine learning algorithms will be increasingly sophisticated in the solutions they uncover. In the coming year, AI will make predictions on demand from hospitals and other healthcare providers. According to experts, global spending on cognitive and AI systems will reach $57.6 billion in 2021, and the AI market will grow to a $190 billion industry by 2025. With that being said, if you wish to create something cool and help make a difference, check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning in partnership with Purdue University and in collaboration with IBM. It covers topics like machine learning, deep learning, statistics, and NLP, among others. In conclusion, with such big advancements in technology, the future looks more promising than ever. It is likely to reshape all sectors of life. There's simply no stopping it. Have you heard about new innovations that have been recently implemented? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for being here, and watch out for more videos from us. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simply Learn.